What are you getting ready to do, Zech?
I'm about to pull this off the car.
Okay, we got another car painted pink?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's pull it off. He's getting it. Uh-oh, we got an issue. Uh-oh, we gotta fix that. Hold on a second. It's simple. Here. Okay, let's go ahead and keep doing it, Raya. Zechariah, I got to learn to do a little bit slower. Here we go. There we go. It's coming good. Whoa. Oh. Gotta stop here. Now we gotta push it back down. Good stop there. Okay, now let's go and try again. Slowly. There you go. You're getting it. We'll pull it down a little bit here. There we go. You did it, Zach. Look, it says pink power. Yay! Pink.
Now I have a sticker.
Yeah, pink power is growing, and now hiring smiling faces.